The price of Terra Luna Classic, yeah, it's pulling back a little bit this morning, and excitement seems to be fading around, well, simply the price action, alright? We still got a lot of people very excited about the proposal that is going to repeg or potentially repeg USTC, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are dropping, and they're retesting support levels right now, and that's causing the price of Terra Luna Classic to fall back as well. So we're going to talk a little bit about the price action on Bitcoin and what it's doing that is bringing Terra Luna Classic down. But I've also seen some pretty good interviews with Duncan out there, that Rap D-Day, the guy that's proposing to repeg Terra Luna Classic or USTC on the Terra Luna Classic blockchain. And I've got some confidence, okay? Let's just use the word confidence. I've got a little bit of confidence in there that at least they're not so optimistic that they're blind to the fact that this is going to be difficult. The fact that they're looking at every angle and wondering what is going to happen if we go down this path. Is this possible? It's encouraging because it tells us that the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, they know it's not going to be easy to repeg USTC. They're thinking about the problems ahead of time, and if you're thinking about the problems ahead of time, you can think of solutions ahead of time. So let's discuss it. Of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade gets $5 in free crypto. Now, if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you get KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you guys are holding on Binance and KuCoin, it is considered a loan to Binance and KuCoin, same as any other centralized exchange. You need to make sure that if you want it to be your cryptocurrency, you're holding it on a cold storage or DeFi wallet. Nonetheless, still a great place to buy and sell. Guys, let's discuss what is going on with the price action first, and then we're going to jump into this proposal because the price action right now is driving things. And Bitcoin having ran up to $24,000, like $500 per coin over the last couple of days, it is back down to $23,000. Now, 23,100 was acting as a very strong level of resistance on the way up. Couldn't break it, couldn't break it, couldn't break it. You guys can pull out an hourly chart and see that it took several days, almost over a week, just trending right there at that line, unable to break up. And it did, but it's right back down to that line right now. 23,000 hopefully holding up as a level of support on Bitcoin. If it doesn't, I absolutely think that we could be on for a leg down now. And remember, we've done a lot of analysis on the price action of not only Terra Luna Classic, but Bitcoin and Ethereum and so on over the last couple of days, talking about signs of a bull market or signs of simply a price rally or a bull price rally during a bear market. Now, there are still several factors that are outstanding and unmet in having a full-on bull market return, but nonetheless, confidence is up there, and this could be a quote-unquote dip buying opportunity as the price of Bitcoin and Terra Luna Classic are pulling back a little bit. So, price action driving things right now, and hopefully these technical levels of support do hold up, and we don't start to come back to, I'm telling you, the green days are good days. We do not need any more red days. But let's talk about Terra Luna Classic because this proposal has really been driving excitement over the last, it's been over a week now. And in Terra Luna Classic, jumping back up into 2,000 point per coin or 20,000 point per coin, however you want to look at it, into that range a couple of days ago is simply based on this excitement. Why? You can see USTC running as well. USTC is the stable coin that is, well, no longer stable, and it was trading around 2 cents per coin, jumping up, doubling in price to over 4 cents per coin, and this was on the excitement alongside Terra Luna Classic that this repeg is going to work. Now, the repeg is basically an arbitrage opportunity And I saw a good interview. I believe it was with Millennial Market, another guy here on YouTube. He's out on Twitter as well. You guys can check the interview out with him and Rab D-Day or Duncan, and asking a lot of good questions. And the questions along the lines of, what are the next steps? Because the proposal is going to pass. When this proposal passes, what are the next steps? And I believe it's very important that, you guys know that, well, talking to the developers and getting the analyst recommendations and things like that out there are the next steps, because this is a signaling proposal. It's not a building proposal. No code is going to change. This signals to everybody that we want to try and repeg USTC. Now, talking to the developers, Ed and Tobias out there, and seeing what they believe is the next steps and so on is going to be interesting. I hope it doesn't cause any rifts in the community if they say that it's going to be hard, if they say it's going to be impossible or anything like that. Hopefully we can move forward and make progress there. But that's one of the very next steps. One of the challenges, right, and some of the things that weren't necessarily thought of when designing this proposal is that where's the money going to come from? If you're simply raising the price, yes, it's market manipulation. We've discussed that concern a lot on this channel here, and it's a very, very strong concern, especially considering the regulatory scrutiny that the entire cryptocurrency market is undergoing right now. So at least they're thinking about that. I don't know if they necessarily have an answer. And Millennial Market, the channel out there, they did a pretty good job talking. And one of the things that they came up with as a potential remedy is to charge a commission or get validators on board with charging a commission and dedicating that commission to increasing and decreasing the fees, and therefore creating those arbitrage opportunities. So at least they're thinking about that, which is an excellent sign. Puts me a little bit at ease. Now, I don't know if it's going to work. You guys don't know if it's going to work. I honestly think the only way we're ever going to figure out if this stuff works is to put it in practice. We can hypothesize and create theories all day long, but until you do it, it's just an idea. So I eventually think that we're going to have to get over the hump of being scared to implement things, and yes, just do them. But in a worst case scenario, okay, and I've mentioned this a couple times, in a worst case scenario for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, if we want USTC pegged to $1, I get it. Stair-stepping it up in the ziggurat approach to create that dollar value is beautiful, because it 50x's people's portfolio. It creates a lot of value there. But if that's what's going to create value for the Terra Luna Classic blockchain, is having a stable coin, we can split. We can split USTC. If everybody's on board with it, you could split UST. I don't see why you couldn't. And then you'd have it at $1. You can turn the algorithm back on. No value was created for USTC holders, so they may not be happy with it, but at least at that point, we're there. We've got that dollar price point, and we can talk about pegging and all of that stuff from there on out. So I want to know what you guys think. Are we still excited because the price action is moving down right now? Following Bitcoin, yes, but it does seem like we are innovating day in and day out on Terra Luna Classic. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. And of course, if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.